Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab A9 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this plus icon. And here you'll see this up section with options which you could add to your panel. Just to do that, we should hold the icon and drag it to the down section by this way. To remove some of the options from here, hold the icon and drag it to the up section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should just hold and drag it. To reset the changes, just tap to reset. To save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.